Hi, and welcome to a tutorial on Hypertext Markup Language, or in short, HTML. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to create a table in your web page. The table is created with a table element, which consists of a table tag, a tr tag, which is for creating rows, a th tag, which creates our table headers, which will be the column names, and then the td tag, which will define each individual cell and the content that are in the cells. So to start, let's go to our body and let's create a table tag by writing table. Let's hit enter and let's close that table. Now we need to nest the tr, th, and td tag. So the first thing we're going to do is create a tr tag, which stands for row. This means that we are creating a new row in the table. Close that tag. And within this table row, we're going to create our columns, and we're going to go ahead and give them the column names, which will be done by using the table headers, which is the th tag. Let's give our first column the name first name. Give our second column the name last name. And let's give the third column the name of age. Let's save this and let's refresh our page. As you can see, we now have a column called first name, a second column called last name, and a third column called age. If you're not seeing a border on your table, it is because you're missing this style. So in your code, underneath the head, go ahead and write a style tag and write table, comma, th, comma, td, and then create the border by writing border, semicolon, 1 pixel, solid black, and then end that with a bracket, a curly bracket, and then end with the closing tag for style. This right here is CSS, or Cascade Styling Sheet. You can find this on my other videos where I talk about this in depth. But for our purpose in this tutorial, this is the only thing that you need from a Cascade Styling Sheet. Now let's go back to our code. Underneath the tr that we opened here and closed here, let's create another tr. What this is going to do is it's going to create another row for us. Now this row, we're going to call a td and not a th because we're not doing table headers anymore. This is the first row where we defined our columns. This is the second row where we actually started getting into our data. That's why it's called td for table data. In our first column, we want to put Bob. In our second column, we do that by creating another td, and we want to put Jones. And in the last column, we're going to do another td tag, and we're going to put the age of 51. Go ahead and save our page, refresh the browser. Now you can see we created a second column with a first name Bob, a last name Jones, and an age of 51. Let's go ahead and let's create 2 more rows. Let's do it one at a time. We create a row by doing a tr tag, and within the tr tag we have a td tag. The first TT tag will be our row, our first row, which will be first name. And we're going to put Sophie. In the second TD tag of this row, we're going to put Kate, which is the last name. And in the third row, we're going to do a TD tag again. And we're going to put the age of 23. Underneath of that, we can create another row with TR. Let's go ahead and close that tag. Within the TR tag, we need another TD tag, and the first one, once again, will be for the first column. This time, I'm going to put John. Go ahead and do another TD tag. Means we're putting another column into our table, and this one's going to be Hooper. In the last column, we're going to put 22, which is his age. Let's save the file. Let's refresh the page. As you can see, I have 4 rows with 3 columns. The first row is the heading of our table, which defines our columns. The 3 rows after that are our data. And as you can see, we have a first name in the first column, last names in the second column, and ages in the third column. So in closing, I have taught you how to create a table by using the table element, which consists of the table tag, the TR tag, the TH tag, and the TD tag. Thank you for watching.